Come in.
Good morning. Hi, Mrs. LaBeouf. It's Mrs. LaBeouf, right?
Yeah.
Hi, I'm Dr. McConaughey.
Nice to meet you.
It's nice to meet you as well. I'm a practicing physician here. So tell me, how are you feeling?
My chest has been hurting a lot. I've had a lot of pain, and it feels like my heart hurts at night when I'm trying to go to sleep. I haven't been able to really because my heart starts racing a lot, and it just prevents me from getting a good night's sleep. Sometimes when I'm doing something simple too, the same thing happens. Like if I'm just walking down the street, I'll feel my heart start racing again, and I just like have trouble breathing, and it just feels constricted a lot.
So you're in a lot of pain, and you're almost confused or frustrated over where this is coming from. That you're trying to sleep or you're trying to walk around, which are very normal activities, and it hurts. It's great that you've noticed this and that you tried to come in right away, get it fixed up. Have you noticed any family members that suffer similarly? And if so, how do they suffer?
Not really. At least I don't think anyone in my immediate family has any heart problems. I know my dad has had trouble sleeping in the past, but I think that's because of like insomnia related issues. I don't think my thing is related to insomnia though, because like before all this started going on, I slept fine.
Okay, so months ago, totally fine, and then now it's just gotten progressively worse over time. That seems to be concerning you in a lot of different ways and maybe even stressing you out more. How has this been affecting your overall sense of good health?
I think it just makes me panic a lot of the time. It definitely feels abnormal, and that stresses me out. Even I've been trying to do things to like try to calm myself down too, like breathing exercises. I've been trying to go to sleep earlier. Nothing seems to be working though. I always end up going to bed earlier, but then I end up running through every single thing I have to do the next day and not being able to sleep for hours.
Right. So you're starting to feel like your efforts aren't productive. Like you want to be good, you want to do what you've read up on, breathing exercises and better sleep behavior and all that, and it's not working. The proactivity in doing those and then also in coming in here to talk about this and work through this is very admirable because it's starting to affect a lot of your life and like making easy things seem a lot worse. What do you think it might all stem from?
I don't know. I know I've been stressed lately, but I know it's not my job. Things in the office seem pretty normal. Like I've got into a routine of things. I feel comfortable there. I know in my family though we've been going through some things, and that's been kind of stressful.
Right. Well, I mean, it's great to hear that work has figured itself out and you're in a great place there. As long as you feel comfortable, describe for me what's going on with your family.
My parents are going through a really messy divorce right now, and it's been going on for a few months. And I think it's taken a toll on me because I really didn't see it coming, especially now when I'm older. I always just picture them to like, if they've made it this long, to stay together kind of thing. And I just feel a lot of pressure to be stoic and put together around them, and especially around my younger siblings too, because they look up to me a lot, and I like help raise them kind of thing, and I know that they're looking to me to see how they should deal with this whole situation.
Right. So I'm hearing that you feel anxious about fulfilling these expectations and dealing with that pressure coming from all different kinds of sides, and especially because you're more independent now as an adult from your parents, but you're still trying to be that role model for your siblings. And that kind of stress like definitely influences your overall physical health. It's courageous for you to admit that you wish you could be stronger for them and for yourself, but that you're not quite there right now. How might this overarching strain be affecting other parts of your life?
I think it's starting to affect like a bunch of things because I'm thinking about it a lot, and especially when I'm trying to get things done. If both of my parents are always calling me to, and they do, and they'll ask me to choose sides in an argument, things like that, it adds more stress, and balancing all this has just been difficult. And I don't know, do you think this could be why my chest has been hurting lately?
Actually, yes. Oftentimes, when you see these kinds of chest pains, it's coming from heart issues like heart palpitations, which is what it kind of sounds like might be going on. And that can be caused by long-term stress that comes from your psyche and then affects your physical health, right? So making that connection between the emotional stressors and the physical stressors is very important for moving forward with your treatment plan. So I'm definitely going to write you a referral for a counselor here and a cardiologist so we can get this worked out. But I'm going to get some tests ready so we can move forward. All right? Sound good?
Sounds good.
Okay.
Thank
We'll
you.
be right back.
Right back.